I ain't trying to bother. You're moving me in all the right ways, waiting for the signal. I wanna.
Hi loves, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, I'm Zina, and today we're gonna create these overnight curls. So if you wanna get these beautiful curls, stay tuned till the end.
This is the night before. I just washed my hair and air dried. It's not completely dry, it's still damp. So I'll use some oil because my hair is freezing. Also I'll spray some moisturizer to my hair. Also I'll use some sea salt spray. If you don't have sea salt spray, use medium hold hairspray. So you can use any type of scarf that is longer than your hair. Make sure that is thick enough because thickness of the scarf depends on your curls that you'll have afterwards. So make sure that it's long enough, measure it and divide your hair into two and clip away one of the sections like I'm showing. Now grabbing your scarf and one small section from the top, wrap it with your scarf. Then adding more hair to the scarf, twist it. Now you get more hair to the strand of your hair and twist it. So make sure every time you twist, add hair to the strand that is near your face. Basically this is a roll braid that incorporates a scarf as well. When you're reaching the ends, make sure to twist the scarf and the hair around it like I'm showing. I'll leave the ends out because I don't like when the ends of my hair are too curly and too tight curly, if you understand what I mean. You want to twist it in a bun shape like I'm showing. Wrap the ends of the scarf of course as well and tie it using an elastic like I'm showing. You can use a scrunchie of course. Also guys, I'm bringing my braids and buns in the back because I like to sleep on one side. That's why I'm bringing them backwards. But if you are sleeping on the back, like on your head, make sure to bring them on sides. So when you are ready with your second bun, make sure to have a good and nice sleep because I'll see you tomorrow.
Good morning, that's my next day. I think that I'm with these buns about, let's say, 12 hours. I think like that. Let's unravel our buns. Okay, as you can see, my curls are very tight And guys, it's 12 hours and my hair is still like damp here, you see, maybe you cannot see, but it's really damp at the base of the bun. Damp your hair, don't make your buns when your hair is wet. Actually, I feel like it's not completely dry now. Because my hair is not completely dry, it can unravel. If you have wavy hair like I do, and your hair is not damp here, don't use any hairspray, because it will make your hair anyway sticky. But because my hair is still damp over here, I'll use a little bit of hairspray to fix it, and I'm not using too much of this hairspray. And I will leave to my hair to dry like for 2 minutes, and then I'll brush my curls. Okay, I'll suggest you, if your hair is still damp, you can use a hair dryer, but with the diffuser on, so you can air dry your hair. And now let's brush our heatless curls. I'm using only my fingers for that, because I need more curls into my hair. And my hair is so much shorter with curls, because these curls are so tight. Small. You see the dimension of my curls. You can make them bigger, of course, but this is because of this scarf, because it's actually thin. You can use bigger scarf if you feel comfortable to sleep in with it. And I'm changing my pattern. For the best result and for volume, I'm just turning my head upside down and I'm shaking my curls. And then you can see that I have much more.
I wanna go down and watch it fall down. You give me the green light, speeding like there ain't no stop.
Guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, heatless overnight curls, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial, because I have planned a lot of hair tutorials. But yes, that's it for today, and I'm so curly because of the quarantine. You know what I'm doing with these beautiful girls? I'll have so much fun grocery shopping. Love you lots. Well, bye.